Hi, I'm Chef Jamie and I'm a personal chef in Melbourne, and I just want to take 1 minute of your time to explain the two services I provide at ChefDine. I do all the cooks personally, and our first service is PCX, which is our private chef experience, which means I provide you with your weekly meals, home cooked, local quality produce, and then when you need it most, we can also organise dinner parties, boutique events or gatherings in the home. So it really is the one step before you would have an in-house chef. The second service is my meal prep service, which is all custom made, again from local produce, again around your tastes. And that's just delivered to you on your cook day, so you know that you're set up for the week with your healthy meals and you don't have to spend that time planning, shopping, preparing, cooking, and then the cleanup is minimal as you're just reheating or finishing off the dishes. So if that sounds good to you, saving time, healthy dishes, home cooked, you know what goes into every single dish, so you know there's peace of mind if you have any allergies or intolerances. So if that sounds good to you, fill out the form below. We can have a free consultation and get you on track to a time-rich, healthier life. So I'll speak to you soon.